In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record a video in 60 FPS on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. By default, Camera app starts in photo mode. To switch it to video mode, tap right here where it says video, and then towards the top right corner of the screen you can easily find the current frame rate. All we have to do in order to switch it to 60 is just tap on it once, and that will switch it from 30 to 60. Keep in mind that we are able to record a video at 60 FPS, especially on an iPhone 15 Pro that I got, just in HD mode. If we switch to 4K mode, we'll not be able to record a video in 60 FPS. On a 4K mode, we can just switch between 30 and 24 frames per second. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.